Run-Rite Headlight Restoration and Recoating. According to one news report, aging plastic headlights, after as little as 2 or 3 years on the road, are becoming so cloudy that they actually output less light than is needed to legally do their job. Replacing these lights can be extremely costly. The solution is Run-Rite Headlight Restoration and Recoating. This service can help remove unsafe cloudy or yellow oxidation, restore the lens to a clear, shiny, and safe condition, and improve nighttime driver visibility. And all of this comes with a significant savings for the consumer over replacement costs. This service can be divided into 2 sections: damage removal and lens resurfacing. Step 1. Damage removal. Before beginning, protect all painted surfaces. Use auto body tape and paper to protect around the headlight lens. Be sure to save one of the towels for the final cleaning before recoating. Use a cloth to wipe off any dirt from the lens. Fill the spray bottle with water and prepare to sand the headlight. Run-Rite offers a variety of different sanding options, including manual hand sanding, electric buffer sanding, and cordless buffing tool sanding. For the purposes of this video, we will demonstrate the cordless buffer tool sanding method. Attach a 400 grit disc to the buffing tool. Wet the disc and the headlight with water. Apply gentle pressure and sand the headlight lens in all directions. Note, the lens must stay wet during this process, so apply more water as needed. You will begin to see a brownish residue develop on the lens. This is the damaged plastic being removed and is completely normal. Use a shop towel to wipe off the residue of the damaged plastic. You should now see a rough, hazy finish over the lens. If you still see damaged plastic, spray more water on the surface and the sanding disc and continue sanding. Make sure any of the original factory coating is removed. Next, attach an 800 grit disc to the buffer. Wet the disc and headlight lens and gently sand again. Wipe off any residue with a shop towel. Then attach a 1500 grit disc to the buffer. Wet both the disc and the lens and continue sanding the surface to prepare it for the recoating process. Spray the lens with water to completely clean it and use the blue towel to wipe it clean and dry. Be sure to wipe the edges to remove all of the water. Finally, use one of the provided alcohol pads to thoroughly wipe the headlight down and clean it off. Make sure it is clean and dry. The damage has now been removed from the headlight, and you can move to the next step. Step 2. Resurfacing the lens. Before beginning the recoating process, be sure that the vehicle is located in an area that is free of wind and airborne dust and dirt, as well as out of direct sunlight. For best performance, the can of Run-Rite lens hardcoat must be at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit before using it. If necessary, place the can in warm water for several minutes to raise its temperature. Be sure that the headlight lens you are going to recoat is also warm. If necessary, use a heat gun to warm the lens. Shake the can well. Hold it about 5 to 6 inches from the surface of the lens and spray just enough of the hardcoat to completely cover the headlight. Work from the top down. Any runs and bubbles that appear will run out. Use the heat gun to warm the lens and to remove any humidity or trapped moisture. Clean off any overspray with the provided alcohol pads. Allow the hardcoat solvent to sit and evaporate, which usually takes about 5 minutes. There are 2 options for curing the new hard coating: direct sunlight curing and UV lamp curing. For direct sunlight curing, position the vehicle in direct sunlight to cure the coating in about 5 minutes or so. This process will still work even in overcast or hazy conditions. For UV lamp curing, after the hardcoat solvent has evaporated, hold a UV curing lamp about 1 inch from the headlight surface and slowly move it from side to side. Alternatively, you can set a large UV curing lamp on a stand in close proximity to the headlight and allow it to sit still. The UV lamp will cure each headlight in approximately 5 minutes. To test dryness of the hard coating, touch the lens in an inconspicuous area. When it is dry to the touch, the process is complete. The Run-Rite headlight service makes a difference your customers can see. Just look at these light meter readings that were taken both before and after the headlight service was performed. The difference is amazing. Thank you for choosing Run-Rite Car Care Maintenance Products. For questions or additional information, please contact your sales representative or contact the Run-Rite support team at 1-800-872-8921. You can also visit our website at www.run-rite.com.